Good day, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to make dinner roll bread. We can call it bread roll, guys. So in here is our butter, our milk, our sugar, guys, warm water. Then you microwave for 2 minutes. You put in your yeast, your salt, and mix it very well thoroughly. Then you add in your flour, guys. In this place, you have to make sure you mix it thoroughly so that you will get the dough that you want. Then you sprinkle some flour on your clean surface and cut your dough into this smaller size that you are seeing in here and adding to your butter. Then keep it warm, cover, bake it for 350 Fahrenheit, guys. Our dinner roll bread is lady soft and very good to taste. You can use butter to eat your own, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.